kumusta kayo guys? So, andito ako ngayon sa Tainan. Ayan yung room namin. So, dito kami mag-spend ng weekend ng boyfriend ko kasi tonight, he will go to see his friend. Magsa-celebrate sila ng Halloween. So, hayaan natin silang multuhin ng gabi. Char. So, ang tagal-tagal ko guys hindi nakapag-vlog kasi guys, umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, nagbakasyon ako doon and kasama ko doon yung boyfriend ko. Kaya ang saya ng bakasyon kasi after 5 years nakasama ko yung buo kong pamilya. Ayan, nag-resort kami, nakita ko yung mga friends ko and then nakapunta kami ng Cebu. Medyo malungkot lang kasi na nagkasakit yung boyfriend ko. Pero overall naman masaya pa rin. We had a good trip. Hi, babe!
Hi.
Say hi!
Hi!
So guys, nasa labas na kami ngayon. Nahihiya ako. And I see the ghost. Ayan, may mga nagpo-costume dito ng tao. Mamaya, i-meet namin yung friend niya. Kailangan ko na CR na ihihila ako. Shall we go? Ang daming tao dito guys. Magsusuot na siya ng costume guys. What are you going to wear? I don't have costume because I'm already a ghost. And here we are guys, nagkita-kita na kami guys. So eto sila naka-costume. Ako lang talaga guys yung hindi naka-costume. Sana pala nag-prepared ako. Epic talaga to, nakakatakot. Tingnan mo naman yung mga blood na nilagay niya sa katawan. Ikalawang bar na ito guys na pinuntahan namin. And alam niyo, sobrang saya kasi ang dami-daming tao dito unlike nung last year. And tingnan nyo, lasing na yung isa niyang kaibigan ng mama niya.
Yes, this is great. This is exactly.
And here we go. Ito na yung last bar. So, nakatatlong bar kami guys. So, ito yung last destination namin. Dito sa bar na ito, pwede kang sumayaw. And dito sa bar na to may entrance. Unlike dun sa dalawang bar. So, ayun guys. Kakabalik lang namin dito sa room. And, ayun. Guys, nahihilo na ako. Umuwi na. It's 3:30 in the morning and umuwi na kami. Hindi na kami nagpaabot ng 5 kasi parehas kami inaantok na and Patrick don't feel good. So, we had a good night naman with his friend and tomorrow, let's see what we can do. So guys, good morning! Kakagising lang namin and also naligo agad kami and kumain na rin kami ng breakfast. And late kami guys gumising like 1 na. Kasi late kami natulog. So, maya-maya lang lalabas na kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero maybe kikitain uli namin yung kaibigan niya and Patrick is doing his assignment para sa kanyang school. So, maya-maya lalabas tayo guys. Lalabas na kami guys. It's raining?
I guess no.
But it's not cold outside. Parang uulan. Ang dilag ng paligid. Na-miss ko to. I miss Thailand a little bit. Do you miss Thailand? Sa Starbucks kami guys and it's already 5:30 and later few minutes we will see Godwin again, his friend, to have a dinner. Starbucks time. Cheesecake, cheesecake.
Yeah, it's good.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner guys, and after that, pumunta kami dito sa night market kasi itong night market na ito bago. Before wala ito eh. So yung friend niya, inikot niya kami. So ayun guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa room namin. Nagbalik na kami. Ayun. It was a good day. We enjoyed the day with his friend. Hindi na kami nag-stay ng late outside. Pupunta pa sana kami doon sa apartment ng friend niya. Pero hindi na namin tinuloy kasi nga kailangan namin matulog ng maaga kasi bukas kailangan kong bumalik ng Taichung early kasi may work pa ako. And si Patrick meron din siyang gagawain. So, ayun lang guys, we enjoyed the weekend here in Tainan. Hindi kami nagpunta ng beach kasi kanina parang uulan pero hindi naman umulan. But overall, masaya yung araw namin today. Pumunta kami ng restaurant with his friend and also we go to mall. Naglakad-lakad lang kami, nag-Starbucks kami doon and pumunta din kami ng night market after namin ng dinner with his friend. May bago kasing night market dito and it's good. Nagkwentuhan sila ng ilang oras, ganyan. So, ayun guys, thank you for being with us and for watching my vlog. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new in my channel. Bye-bye until next time guys.